Hey guys, just wanted to show you a quick way to get rid of mould, which you can see I have some here in the bathroom, and I also have some here just behind the taps. For this method we're going to need some bleach, and we're going to be using domestos thick bleach, and it kills all known germs dead, which is amazing of course, but you can use any bleach really because they all do the same thing as long as it's quite concentrated. And we're also going to use a little cup to put our bleach in, and we're going to need some tissue as well. So I'm actually doing this at night time because I'm going to leave it overnight. So we're going to start off by putting some bleach into our little container, and then we're going to get our tissue, which I've just folded up, and we're going to dunk it into our bleach. And we're going to get some of our bleach and just pour it onto the actual mould itself. And then we're just going to, oh, there's a little fly there. Just going to pop that on there and just let it work into the mould. And then we're going to do the same exact thing for the other one. So you should wear gloves while you're doing this to protect your hands from the bleach. I'm also going to cover it with some normal tissue on top, just to help it mask the smell, which can be very, very strong. Pop it on top like that. Hey guys, it is the following morning and it's time to reveal what's happened overnight. As you can see, it's removed at least 90% of the mould there, which is brilliant, and that is just by using bleach on its own. Let's show you the other one. Wow, so as you can see, it's removed most of the mould there, and I'll probably have to go back into these areas and have another go. So what I've done is put some antibacterial salt on the mould that is left and just given it a quick scrub. So as you can see guys, that's not a bad result at all compared to before.